As you can see, this advertising account was restricted, and they said this ad account is ads and some of its advertising assets are disabled because it didn't comply with the advertising policies. Now, I had to take time to study the problem in detail and to find out exactly what caused the problem for this ad account to be restricted. And after I studied the problem, I will show you I have made an appeal and the account has been reinstated, and I'll take time to show you everything in detail. When you come to the ads manager, you can see the same message. They are saying it is disabled and we can use it to run ads. And if ad and some of the advertising assets are also disabled, we can click here to see details, or it will take us to the account quality. On the account quality, we will be able to request a review. Now, when you check here, they are saying ad account reinstated. After I requested review, you confirm we determined that access to advertising was incorrectly disabled, and its ads and assets that were affected will return to their previous state. We apologize for the inconvenience. If you also come here, you see I received an email to also confirming that they made a mistake and they have actually taken time to review it, and they realized that the restriction was wrong. So they have reinstated the account. Now, so the advertising access has been reinstated. Now, before you make any appeal, I advise you not to just take action. A lot of people would always review, appeal, and at the end of the day, their account will be permanently disabled. So you need to study the problem and know what exactly caused it, so that at the end of the day, you can get your account reinstated. Now, let's go exactly to the steps that I followed, and I was able to get this account reinstated. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reinstate a disabled advertising account. So for example, if you log in, if you are in your ad manager and you have something like what I'm showing here, where you are told that your ad account has been disabled, you can use this ad account to run ads, and some of its advertising assets are also disabled. And you click on see details, it bring you to the account quality, which is now called Facebook Business Support Home. We call it Facebook Business Support Home, but the old name is account quality. Now, for you to make an appeal, you need to study the problem in detail and know exactly what you did and probably why you are restricted. Normally, I don't just make an appeal without studying the problem. So if you study the problem and you know that actually you didn't violate any policy, or even if there is a mistake you did without knowing, you have to make some corrections to make sure that when you appeal, your appeal will be successful. And what are the steps? So first of all, you have to make sure that you change your name and your date of birth. So you go to facebook.com, then you check if your name matches with the ID you are going to use. And when I say the ID you are going to use, I mean an ID such as voter's ID, national ID, passport, driving license. These are the type of IDs you can use. Any ID you want to use should be something that has your name, your date of birth, and your first and last name and your date of birth and your gender. Those are the most important. If you are sure you are done and everything you did is you have the right information, or everything is matching with the ID card, then you now come and request a review. So when you click on request review, they will ask you the reason why you want to request review, and you will tell them you choose another reason. Don't choose I am not sure which policy was violated, or I think there was an unauthorized use of my account. No, choose another reason and put your reason there. And what is the reason? Let me just read my reason. My reason is that, dear Facebook, my ad account has been restricted and this has affected my business greatly. I am told this ad account, its ads, and some of its advertising assets are disabled because it didn't comply with our policy on advertising policies affecting business assets. Okay, we deal in the sale of portable ice baths, which help to alleviate depression and anxiety reduce pain and inflammation, improve mental health, and so we don't sell any product that is against Facebook policies. I've stated all Facebook policies in detail as stipulated at the input, the advertising policies, the link to the advertising policies. Then you go ahead and say, I'm extra sure I didn't violate any Facebook policy or community guidelines, but please forgive me if I mistakenly violated any without knowing. Please help me get my other account reinstated. So you write that in detail. Then you paste the reason, and then after that, you send it. So the review has been requested. We expect a response within 48 hours from the time we appealed. If you read here, it said an admin for this other account requested a review to determine if it was correctly restricted from advertising. We are reviewing your account and will notify you here within 48 hours from when the review was requested. So within 48 hours, we expect a response. Yeah, thank you. If you follow this procedure and you don't get a solution, remember to leave your comments in the comment section. Check the WhatsApp link to follow it and contact us. You can also follow our website link to our site to see all the services that we offer. You can book for a Zoom meeting with us and we will help to reinstate your advertising account. Thank you once again and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.